is a proven CRM and turnkey marketing solution, so you can market more intelligently, sell more effectively, and rest assured that every client feels like your only client. In this video, I want to show you how to navigate the basic areas of your new Act account. At the top of the screen, you'll find the menu bar. On the left, you'll see the navigation pane, and these buttons can allow you to quickly skip to each feature of Act. Below that are some lookup tools where you can very easily search for a contact or other records. Let's look at each feature of the navigation pane now. I'm going to start by clicking Contacts, Companies, and Groups. In the Contact view, at the top, you'll see the Contact Detail toolbar. This allows you to switch from the detail view to a list view of your contacts. The list view resembles a spreadsheet where each row represents one contact record. Each column represents one of the contact fields, such as their name, address, and more. Of course, you can sort this list alphabetically by clicking any of the headers at the top, and then click any contact's name to see their detail view. On the right, use the Contact Actions drop-down to duplicate records, add notes or histories, attach a file, print the record, see driving directions on a map, and much more. If you make any edits to this contact record, make sure you click the Save button in the top right corner. To the right of this Save button, click this ellipses button to access the Layouts drop-down list. This lets you get the best view for your monitor's resolution. I recommend switching to Web Contact Layout Premium to get the greatest consistency of colors, fonts, and spacing in this version of Act. When viewing your contacts for the first time, the initial contact you'll pull up is called the My Record. You can also view your own record in Act by going to the Lookup menu and choosing My Record. This is your record. Any information you add to this record should reflect you, the user, and not one of your clients. The Contact Detail view is split into two sections. The top section is like a business card where you can enter specific information about the contact. The bottom area consists of tabs that allow you to enter more detailed information concerning this contact. These tabs collect information about your contacts such as activities, opportunities, histories, notes about the contact, documents, and much more. We're going to look at each of these tabs in detail in the Contacts video section. Now let's switch to Companies by clicking Companies at the top. A company is a record where all contacts are grouped together based upon the company where they work. Companies have a list on the left side that allows you to easily navigate to any specific company in your database. Companies also allow you to gather more information in the top in the Company Detail view. Again, down below there are tabs which allow you to gather additional information about the company and the contacts associated to that company. Next is Groups. Simply put, groups are made up of two or more contact records. You can organize them in any way that makes sense to you. Some groups can be static, meaning the contacts in this group remain unchanged until you manually add or remove them. Other groups can be dynamic, meaning you create a set of rules and you let Act add and remove contacts from those groups by following your rules. Group records are also separated into two sections. The tabs below are similar to what we've already seen in Contacts and Companies. Now let's go look at the calendar. The calendar is organized into 4 different views accessible from the toolbar buttons on the right. You can switch between daily, weekly, monthly, and work week calendar views. At the top of your calendar, you'll see a filter area. Here you can filter calendar items by type, priority, or by Act users who essentially own their own calendar activities. Let's move on now to the task list. This shows a full listing of all activities based off of your filtered ranges. You can see the filters above, where you can narrow this list by dates, activity types, priorities, and again, by users. Related to this is the history list. The history list shows all activities that have occurred in the past or have been cleared from your calendar and task list. Just like a task list, there are several filters available to narrow the items in your view. You can also perform a keyword search within the task or history lists to find records that contain specific search words. Next, let's move on to opportunities. The Opportunities List view shows you all of the sales opportunities for your company. There is a filter bar in the right column which gives you even more ways to narrow your list according to the filters that you want. For example, I'm going to use the status filter to show only open opportunities. When you click a specific opportunity's name, ACT displays the opportunity details. On this screen, you can see the opportunity name, its status, and its current stage along the process pipeline. On the left are totals that signify what this opportunity is worth, as well as the probability that this opportunity will close with a winning result. The tabs down below indicate which products or services are included with this opportunity, along with the contact information for whom this opportunity is associated. You can also create notes about the opportunity or save documents like quotes and invoices as attachments to this record. When you click the pipeline view at the top, you'll be able to see a visual representation for your open opportunities based upon the filters you choose on the right. For example, I can easily switch from a view of this month's opportunities to see all opportunities for this year. Down below, you can use the interactive Kanban chart to easily progress your opportunities from one stage to the next. Simply drag them from one column to another. Now let's look at the ACT dashboards. The ACT Insight dashboard allows you to get several types of information about your company at a glance. Each of these dashboard components can be filtered to show only the information you want to monitor. You can even create new views to display your customized, basic, or advanced charts. The ACT Insight video section covers everything that you can do with ACT Insight. In the marketing section, you can create campaigns to promote your company, email templates to reach your customers, and landing page forms and surveys to attract new business or nurture the customers that you already have. There's really a lot to see here in marketing automation, so make sure you view the ACT Marketing Automation section of the video training library. We've revamped the tools area to give you everything you need to get started, including tools to manage your users, import contacts, create custom fields and layouts, synchronize with your Outlook or Google accounts, and basic preferences to personalize ACT to fit your own working style. And finally, we've added lots of great new options in the additional features area. These features include calendar scheduling, quote generation, survey creators, email list verification, and more. And we're adding new features all the time, so check out the additional features section often. And that's ACT from a bird's eye view. I've only barely scratched the surface, so please explore all of the other areas in the ACT video training library to learn about customization options, the ACT mobile app for your smartphone, ACT marketing automation, and much more. Thanks for watching, and we hope you love using ACT.